Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Before we dive into the video, I want to sincerely thank each and every one of my viewers supporting me on Patreon and YouTube. This channel exists because of you. Now, let's get into the video. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a beautiful and highly aesthetic Christmas tree in Adobe Illustrator. Make sure to watch until the very end. And if you enjoy the video, don't hesitate to show your support by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Before we start adding details to the tree, I first draw a triangle using the pen tool where the tree will be positioned. This helps me define the tree's boundaries and set its size in advance. Skipping this step can make it harder to get a good final result. It's almost like trying to draw without a sketch. Once that's done, we use the pen tool again to start drawing the tree from top to bottom, connecting imaginary points along the way. I divide the tree into 3 or 4 separate sections so that when we apply different colors to each part, we achieve a vibrant and lively look instead of a flat and boring result. After drawing the first stage of the tree, I used the direct selection tool to slightly round off the sharp corners, softening them. In this part of the video, I'll speed up the footage, but feel free to experiment and adjust the rounding to achieve different results according to your taste. For this stage, I choose all the colors randomly. Once the overall shape of the tree is ready, we'll pick better colors to enhance the final look. I'll repeat the steps we've done so far until the overall shape of the tree is complete. I draw the necessary parts with the pen tool and soften the sharp corners using the direct selection tool. In sections like this, I'll speed up the video so it doesn't take up too much of your time, leaving plenty of room to focus on the key steps. As we draw the next sections of the tree, we place them beneath the previously drawn parts to gradually build a complete Christmas tree shape. To do this, we select the section we just drew, go to the object menu in the top panel, then to arrange, and choose send to back to move that object behind the others. There are a number of tools that make this drawing process much easier, and they are some of the key elements in creating detailed work. I'll tag all the computer accessories I use in the video. Most likely the mouse and keyboard I use on the right or left side, my graphics tablet, and the indispensable Toolbox Neo, which helps me a lot when editing videos. By clicking on these tagged items, you can get them at discounted prices and make your workflow much more comfortable. The accessories I highlight are essential for anyone looking to work in this field, and I want to highlight one very important point. Your support is essential for me to continue creating useful content and providing high-quality premium vector icons for you. You can visit my Patreon by clicking the link in the description. There, you can choose any monthly plan to support me. Keep in mind that all plans have special first month discounts until the end of the month. By subscribing, you'll not only be supporting my content creation, but also gain free access to premium vectors, icons, and illustrations that are otherwise offered for sale on stock sites. Once you subscribe, check out the shop section, where all premium vectors are completely free for my supporters. You'll also have the chance to download and use all the vector files from this video and any future videos for free, allowing you to study and analyze them. Up to this point, we've drawn every section and sent each one to the back, and we've done the same with the tree trunk as well. Right now, all the colors are still random. Once the structure is complete, we'll choose much better colors and arrange them from light to dark for a more natural and visually appealing result. If you'd like, let me know in the comments and I can share the exact color codes with you. For those who want to download this vector, I'll also leave a link in the description. With a one-time purchase, you'll be able to get the full vector file, and if anyone is interested, just write a comment. I can send you exclusive discount coupons so you can get it at a reduced price. We've achieved the look we wanted, and now we're choosing the best colors to match our Christmas tree. Color is an extremely important step. If you select the right and beautiful tones, your illustration will have a strong sense of harmony. With good color choices, no matter how you draw the shapes, the final result will always look satisfying and complete. Now we've reached the most enjoyable part of the process, adding the shadows. We'll start from the bottom. First, select the lowest object, go to the object menu at the top, scroll down to path, and then choose offset path to enter the value you need. After that, assign a slightly darker color than the object beneath it. Here, the color choice should be consistent with both the object above and the one below, so the result looks smooth and visually pleasing. Once the color is set, select the lower object and the new offset shape, and use the tools in the Pathfinder panel to cut the shapes. After this step, the objects become grouped, so we simply select them and choose Ungroup. Then we delete the parts we no longer need. After that, we repeat these steps for every layer of the tree to create the shadows. Each time, we select the object on the upper layer, go to the object panel, apply offset path to create a larger version, and then assign the appropriate color. Next, we select the new shape along with the object beneath it. Use the Pathfinder panel to cut them, ungroup the results, and delete the parts we no longer need. Working on shadows, highlights, and other small details, and even watching someone else do it, is one of the most satisfying parts of the entire process. If any part of this step seems unclear to you, feel free to leave a comment and ask. I'll do my best to help you with a detailed explanation. We apply the same shadowing process to the tree trunk as well. You can technically create this effect by simply duplicating the trunk, cutting the bottom part and assigning a darker color to the remaining shape. However, using offset path gives a much more natural result because the shadow follows the exact contour of the tree, making the overall look smoother and more realistic. Our tree is now complete, and I think it already looks beautiful with these colors. Now, to make it feel like a real Christmas tree, we need to decorate it. You can do this however you like, but I'll keep the decorations minimal and clean, following current design trends. And the final look will still be amazing. I start by drawing a small circle and choosing a lighter shade that matches the colors of our tree. Then I simply copy the circle and arrange them one after another in an aesthetic pattern. I handle the copying process using keyboard shortcuts. If you're working on a Windows computer, you can simply hold the Alt key, click the object with your mouse, and drag to duplicate it. On a Mac, you can do the same by holding the Option key and dragging the object with your mouse. This allows you to work smoothly and much faster, just like I do. If there's anything unclear in this part, feel free to ask me in the comments. I'll be happy to answer your questions. I'll speed up this part as well, so the video doesn't take too much of your time. After arranging the circles, I want to add a few star-like details so the tree doesn't look too empty. To do that, I draw a circle, pick a color, then go to the Effect menu at the top. From there, scroll down to Distort and Transform and choose Pucker and Bloat. By dragging the slider slightly to the left, we get the exact effect we need. Then I duplicate the shape, create multiple versions, make some smaller and some larger, and place them around the tree to complete the decoration. The only thing left is to place a star on top of our Christmas tree, and I'm sure everyone can do this easily. Simply right-click on the Shapes panel on the left, select the Star tool, enter the size and details you want, create the star, choose a color, and place it on top of the tree. And with that, our Christmas tree vector is complete. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and leave a comment. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. I'll add all the necessary links in the description so you can download this vector and support me if you wish. And if you'd like to support the channel even further, you can visit my Patreon page and subscribe to any monthly plan. Thank you for watching and staying until the end. I'll see you in the next videos.